Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. Here's where the oil fill cap is. On the cap, generally it'll say what kind of oil you're going to put in it. This is 5W30 Dexos oil. To remove the cap, you're going to twist it to the left and then pull it out. And then to reinstall, you're going to line that cap up with that tab, little slot, and twist it back on. To check the oil level, the dipstick is right here. You're going to want to pull up on the dipstick. Wipe the oil first. Reinsert the dipstick into the tube. Let it sit for 2 or 3 seconds and pull it up again. We're going to look. The oil is right between those hash marks right there, and that's good. If the oil level was down further on these hash marks, you would want to add oil to it. Reinsert the dipstick. When changing the oil in the filter, this vehicle requires 6 quarts of oil. You're going to want to check the owner's manual for the appropriate oil change intervals.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.